In today's lesson, we will be learning about how to use articles. When do we use the articles a, an, and the? Let's take a look at this scenario where a boy has come to buy a shirt for himself. I would like to buy a shirt. Sure, which one? The checked one, please. Now we have to observe these sentences carefully and see that where do we place an article in a sentence. So if you look at both the dialogues or the sentences, we notice that an article is used before a noun. Now, something more that I would like to tell you is that we do use an article before a noun. However, if you are describing a particular noun, for example, if you're saying the checked shirt, so the article in that case would be used before the describing word or before the adjective. For example, if I'm writing the checked shirt, so in this case, the article would be placed in front of the describing word. Now, the next thing that we need to notice over here is when do we use the article a and when do we use the article the. So in the first sentence, if you notice that the boy is asking for a shirt, that is any shirt in general, he uses the word or the article a when he's talking about any shirt in general. Whereas when he's talking about one specific shirt, that is the checked one, he then uses the article the. Similarly, if you want to buy this shirt, you would say, I would like to have the purple shirt, please. We will now take a look at some more important points about articles. So the indefinite articles a and an are used when we are talking about things in general. Indefinite means that something is not defined or specified. On the other hand, the definite article the is used when you're talking about something in particular. Just like we spoke about the shirt that the boy bought. The word definite means that something is defined or specified. The definite article the is also used when a thing has already been mentioned in a sentence before. For example, I saw an old man. In the next sentence, you would use the definite article the because we have already spoken about this old man in the previous sentence. So we will say the old man looked worried. Let's take one more example. So, for example, I saw a dog in the park. The dog looked very hungry. So you need to keep in mind that when something has already been introduced or we have already mentioned it in the first sentence, we are talking about it again. So in the second time, we are going to use the article the. I hope you will now be able to use the articles a and the correctly while constructing your sentences and also while having a conversation.